What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of boring. I'm really just going to do some talking. Starters, my turbos were sent off to Boost Lab yesterday. They should get them by like Tuesday, Wednesday next week. They'll dive into them, let me know, what's going on with them, what needs to be done, all that stuff. It's 35 degrees outside. It is supposed to rain on Sunday, so obviously we're not doing a whole lot. We took the turbos off the car. I ordered a Boost leash yesterday. I'm pretty much checking off all the things that need to be done to my car. The module for my trans brake, I need to get it wired. Once we get the Boost leash, I need to wire that as well. What else? Kind of just need to clean some things up in the engine bay. It's kind of a disaster in here, and there's a couple things that Brendan wanted to do before we put my turbos back in. Just clean up some wiring, clean up the actual engine bay because it's literally filthy. But yeah, hoping to get the turbos back and solve an issue that I currently have. As most of you guys know, I replaced the bottom end in this car with a Gen 3 bottom end because I cracked a ringland on cylinder number 7 in the Gen 2. Ever since, got it back. Brendan got it tuned. Rob Shoemaker tuned it. The car is having a, let's see, how do I explain this? When you're in the car, you get into boost, like not light boost, hard boost, and let off. On deceleration, the car billows smoke, like oil. I don't know. I'm hoping it's the turbos. We also found out when we took the turbos off that the oil feed lines don't have restrictors in them, so it might be getting too much oil. Hoping that, obviously it has to do with, it's boost related. It's not the bottom end. The bottom end is fine. So really just trying to figure out where the boost issue is to where it's burning oil and smoking on deceleration. Hopefully the seals in the turbos fix that. And we're also gonna call Hellion, see if there should be restrictors on the oil feed lines. And if it does, put those on and kind of go from there. Other than that, there's not really too much going on. Brendan put a new blower lid on the Trackhawk. He got a blower lid powder coated yellow to match his brakes, the suspension components, all that stuff. I'll see if I can pop the hood and show you guys. She's pretty. So obviously it matches the brakes and everything. So it's pretty sick. There's no updates with Shelly. Shelly turned 17 yesterday. That's the only update. She's still perfect in every single way and doesn't have a single problem. Stella. So yeah, Brendan's really just been working on his ZX10. That's about it. As most of you guys know, I've kind of taken a break from social media, stepped back, reevaluated the content that I push out and, the type of content, quality, all that stuff. I've really leaned more towards what I want to post. Before, I was really posting what I felt would get traction. Like, it wasn't what I wanted to do. It was really what Instagram wanted me to do and what got likes, which I got tired of it. And I have reevaluated everything there, and I've just started posting actual car stuff because I feel like in the car community, it's a lot of just like, it's just about attention. Like, I want the things that I post to be, educational or helpful to someone to, like, I don't know. I mean, I have kids that look up to me and they like to see what I'm doing because obviously it's an inspiration to see somebody do what they want to do when they grow up, I don't know. I could ramble on about this forever. Basically, I just want to move away from what I was doing on my channel and gearing it more towards actually doing something that benefits the car community. I got into cars a while ago. I literally got into it with nothing. I taught myself most everything that I know, used YouTube resources, never had an actual like good, solid, resourceful person that could help me do what I do. And obviously I want other people to be able to have what I didn't have. Even though a lot of it came from YouTube, Brendan's been a huge help. He has taught me so much about my car. This car, actually, as much as I hate it at the end of the day and I want to sell it, this car has taught me so much. Anyways, I kind of just wanted to touch base. Obviously, I'm not working on the car today. I have nothing to do to it. I kind of just wanted to touch base and say hi to everybody, I guess, because I have been distant on Instagram, TikTok. If you're friends with me on Facebook, it's because we're close friends or family, and YouTube. So I'm just trying to document more of normal everyday things, I guess. I don't know. Also forgot to add that while everything's out of the engine bay, we're also gonna figure out how to do a bumper dump straight out the side of the bumper. I don't give a shit that I just kicked that. Out the side of the bumper. Right now it is, the exhaust cuts off like right here at this part of the car. So we just have to figure out the rest of the piping and do a bumper dump right there. So I'm super excited about that one, actually. And then there's Derek's shit box. Also forgot to say that I got Brendan a banner for the shop. It's a 3 foot by 4 foot banner, and it's going to hang right there once he gets taxed for it, which he hasn't. So I think that's all that I have, honestly. So thanks for listening to me ramble. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions that you ever want me to answer in videos, please comment them below. That's about all that I have.